Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by taxbuddy.com. First, let us look at the global cues, particularly US. Dow Jones has fallen for 5 consecutive sessions, and every day US markets falling after the US jobs report. And last Monday was a holiday in US. So since previous Friday until last Friday, so 5 trading sessions markets fell. And after 4 trading sessions fall, the Asian markets recovered. Because of that, Dow futures were higher on Friday, and first half of the session, Dow was up nearly 250 points. But towards the end of the day, the entire 250 point gain has been wiped out, on top of which Dow fell another 250 points. So which means that the Dow has fallen 500 points from intraday high. And the ground report from US has not been really very good. It seems that the Delta variant of coronavirus is getting more and more serious. And probably that was one of the reasons why the jobs report was so bad. But however, what I can observe, the Asian markets are not really doing as bad as US markets. So probably the Delta variant of coronavirus is affecting more US and European countries and here in Australia. The Asian markets are more or less resilient. Say for example, 5 continuous days Dow fell more than 1000 points, but still look at the last 3 days of price action in India. Wednesday and Thursday Nifty fell 15 points, and Friday it was up by 15 points. So not much of a move. I made a mistake. I think it was Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, so not Friday. Friday was a holiday. On top of which, the India VIX is also lower, and this is happening despite FIIs turning out to be net sellers. The last week they started selling, although the last trading session of the last week they were net buyers, but overall they were net sellers. So this is giving a very confused signal about the market direction only for the very short term. And however, I still believe Nifty will be touching 18,000 by December. So medium term to long term is intact. So maybe since I have already given 17,000 to 18,000, it has come. So maybe I will come out with another video why the market will sustain the bull run for the next 2 to 3 years. So that may be a new video. For the time being, so I still believe that the Nifty should be trading between 17,000 and 17,500, looking at the open interest. And we need some trigger, and I don't think that we have any major trigger. On Friday, the IIP data came, which was fantastic, 11.5%, but that is because of low base effect of last year data. And Monday and Tuesday, we can expect consumer inflation data and wholesale price inflation data, and both are expected to be good only. So Bank Nifty again is struggling to cross 37,000. So Bank Nifty has been trading between 36,000 and 37,000. So as and when it crosses 37,000, trades firmly, we can expect Bank Nifty to take all-time high. So that is when we can expect Nifty to move closer to 18,000. So a stock to watch is BPCL this week, and BPCL is declaring an extraordinary dividend of 58 rupees per share. The ex date is 16th of September, but those days the dividend is non-taxable, so the people tend to buy a lot of shares to get a non-taxable return in the form of dividend. But nowadays the dividends are taxed, and taxed as per your slab. At least for long-term capital gain tax, there is an exemption of 1 lakh, first 1 lakh rupees, but dividend you don't even have that facility. So therefore that may not be a big deal, but still considering BPCL as a divestment candidate, so it may not fall so much even after the dividend. So last week, so it corrected to about 480, 481. Again, in the last trading day, it has shot up to 490, 491. So if there is any dip below 480, definitely I'll be looking to buy. And I have also done one trade and expecting some windfall profit. So what is that, which I'm not going to divulge now. So once that materializes, surely I will let you know. So that is the thing now. So after truncated week last week, now we are coming to full 5 trading sessions in the coming week. With the low weeks, not so good global cues, and then FII selling. So it is time to be a little bit cautious, and I will turn bullish if the market crosses 17,450, which was the recent high. So until then, I will maintain a cautious stand, but at the same time, I am not expecting Nifty to fall below 17,000. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.